Yemen's Houthi rebels seized an Israeli-linked cargo ship in a crucial Red Sea shipping route on November 19 and took its 25 crew members hostage, officials said, raising fears that regional tensions heightened over the Israel-Hamas war were playing out on a new maritime front. Tel Aviv called it an Iranian act of terrorism and a very grave incident on a global level. The office of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu stated that a British-owned and Japanese-operated cargo ship was seized by the Houthis, allies of Tehran. Officials stated that there were no Israelis on the ship. This is another Iranian act of terrorism that represents an escalation in Iran's belligerence against the citizens of the free world, with concomitant international ramifications vis-a-vis the security of global shipping routes, Netanyahu's office said in a statement. The Houthis confirmed the development. The Houthi rebels added they would continue to target ships in international waters that were linked to or owned by Israelis until the end of Israel's campaign against Gaza's Hamas rulers. However, they claimed to have seized an Israeli ship, a claim rejected by Tel Aviv. We are treating the ship's crew in accordance with Islamic principles and values, a spokesperson of the group's military said in a statement. The Houthis hijacked the ship by lowering its fighters using a helicopter. Tel Aviv said the cargo ship is owned by a British company and is operated by a Japanese firm. There were 25 crew members of various nationalities, including Ukrainian, Bulgarian, Filipino, and Mexican, on board the vessel. International shipping often involves a series of management companies, flags, and owners stretching across the globe in a single vessel. Two US defense officials confirmed that Houthi rebels seized the Galaxy Leader in the Red Sea on Sunday afternoon local time. The rebels descended on the cargo ship by rappelling from a helicopter, the official said, confirming details. Twice in the last month, US warships have intercepted missiles or drones from Yemen that were believed to be headed towards Israel or posing a threat to American vessels. The USS Carney, a Navy destroyer, intercepted 3 land attack cruise missiles and several drones that were launched by Houthi forces toward the northern Red Sea last month. On November 15, the USS Thomas Hudner, another destroyer, was sailing towards the Bab el-Mandeb Strait when the crew saw a drone reported to have originated in Yemen. The ship shot down the drone over the water. The official said the crew took action to ensure the safety of US personnel and there were no casualties or damage to the ship. Satellite tracking data from marinetraffic.com showed the Galaxy Leader traveling in the Red Sea southwest of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, more than a day ago. The vessel had been in Corfez, Turkey, and was on its way to Pipavav, India, at the time of the seizure reported by Israel.